friend. Nah, me nah fi be your friend. I take care of my kids.
Good night, you guys. As you see, I start off this vlog very, very late. May I go on? You don't laugh at my hairstyle. I can tell tomorrow. Can you believe that I'm going home tomorrow? I'm going home tomorrow. Last night here. But it was fun while it lasted. But I was outside. Yeah, playing domino. And soon go and join. I just come on this to say good night. Because the vlog camera never seen from morning. Anyways, I think I'm going to go back natural. Yeah, I think of growing back my hair natural. What y'all think? Cause it's already short already, and I kind of miss the natural hair. Cause when it was natural, I had some nice hair, but then I processed it. But no, I want to go back to natural hair. And if I don't like it again, I might process it back. But what y'all think? Natural hair or processed hair? I just want to explain because it'll go on. My natural hair never that bad still, doggone. So I might go outside and join the domino game because last night I played a game and I got 6. But I'm gonna try again tonight still. If nothing, I'll see you guys tomorrow. But if not, you guys will see what I'm doing. Yeah. And remember that if you're a new viewer and just watching this channel, remember to subscribe, hit that red button below and hit the bell beside it so you can see anytime I post a new video. And tell all your friends to subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you later, you guys. Bye bye. For now, I should say for now. Good morning, you guys. I'm back. Just wake up. Now fix more something. Come with pull it out. Come with test it out, yeah. But it's gonna pull out today because, as I said, I'm going home today because I can't go on the road like this. Yeah, just come on this to say good morning. Just enjoying the fresh air outside. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys in a few. Right? Yeah, later. Really?
What else you say? I never say I work, I go. Where got a chicken be a jerk.
Alright, I'm gonna catch you again. Yeah. Big up us. Yeah. Yeah. You guys remember that I shared the chicken in the previous vlog? Not the one before, the one before. You want to see the chicken them get big? I'm gonna show you. Before they get big, you guys, we just have to put some sawdust in there. The sawdust is their bed. Right now, we are going to feed the chicken. I'm gonna try feed the chicken then. Afraid of them in a boat. I'm gonna try. Yes, Kayla fixing up my hair from my little ear just as usual. Go on there. Take a little time. You look like a natural already. Yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. I'm just chilling, you know. She's just spending the last time with me before I go. Yes, you guys, finally ready to go home. Okay. Bye bye. You guys like the turn out? They come like some putting your rods. And so we can go follow my hairstyle.
I should say bye bye to them coming up to them.
Yeah. But I'll be here
Kitty.
soon. Be back here soon. So bye Suki. Bye bye. You want to say bye to them, Kitty?
Bye.
Yeah. So I'm going to jump on a taxi now and go my way.
Bye, my twin. I'll see you soon.
Yeah, I'll taste some of the food before we left here. Alright, bye, Kitty. Bye. So you guys, right now I'm in Island Grill. I'm waiting for my meal to come. So I'm just waiting. When the meal come, I'll show you what I bought. Yeah. Yes guys, this is a jerk burger and fries, and I'm having some Sprite. So yes, I'm going to indulge in this, and then I'll finish. I'll tell you how it tastes and all. The jerk burger, it was awesome. I recommend you guys to try it out. But I love Island Grill fries too. It tastes better than KFC fries. Finish with my juice. And then hit the road. There's a taxi now to carry me home. So that's what I'm going to do. And just, yeah.